Solving two-step equations means that we're going to follow the inverse order of operations. Remember, anything we do to one side of our equal sign, we have to do the exact same thing to the other. So as I would translate the expression on the left, I would say 2 times b minus 6. I said times and I said minus. I have to undo both of those operations. Undo addition and subtraction before you undo multiplication or division. Since I said minus 6, my first step will be to do the opposite of that and add 6. If I do it to the left, I do the same thing to the right. This leaves me with 2b on the left side. My negative 6 and positive 6 canceled. 10 plus 6 is 16. Always bring your equal sign straight down. Now the left side of my expression, if I were to read it and translate it, I would say 2 times b, or 2 times a number. The opposite of times, the opposite of multiplication, is division. I'll divide both sides by 2. I divide this side, I have to divide this side. 2 divided by 2 is 1. That successfully cancels everything on the left side except my variable, b. 16 divided by 2 is 8. I have simplified everything. I have my variable isolated. I'm done. b equals 8 is my final answer. In part B, here's my equal sign. I have my variable on the left. I need to keep it there, move everything else to the right. Translating this expression, I would say 1/2 times a number plus 3. I had the word plus in there, I have to undo that first. I undo a positive number with a negative number. I'll subtract 3 here. That means I have to subtract 3 here. My positive 3 and negative 3 cancel. That leaves 1/2 times a number equals. Be careful. This is a negative 4. This is a negative 3. When in doubt, put it in your calculator. Put it in your iPad. But it's the same expression as this. Negative 4 minus 3. We can change that to plus a negative 3, so you should see it gives you a negative 7. We did this with solving one-step equations. If you have a fraction times a variable, you do want to divide that fraction, but we talked about how dividing a fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. If I multiply this side by 2 over 1, I have to multiply this side by 2 over 1. Here, I get 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 2 is 2. That cancels. That leaves just your variable. That's why we choose to multiply by the reciprocal. I bring my equal sign down. This is really negative 7 over 1. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. A negative times a positive is a negative. My variable by itself, yes, so I'm done.